peanut butter, chocolate, coffee, all blended into one thick, creamy, dreamy shake. This peanut butter mocha shake is like a dessert, and your morning coffee had a delicious baby. Rich espresso, frozen banana, creamy peanut butter, and cocoa come together in under 5 minutes. No ice cream required, just real ingredients that taste incredible. Ready to blend your new favorite pick-me-up? Let's go. Ingredients: 1 shot of espresso, or circ cup strong brewed coffee, cooled, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any milk, 2 tbsp creamy peanut butter, 1 tbsp unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 frozen banana, before fritz, 1 tbsp maple syrup or honey, handful of ice cubes whipped cream, and chocolate shavings for garnish. Directions. Start by brewing 1 shot of espresso or a 1/4 cup of strong coffee. Let it cool for a few minutes while you gather your other ingredients. Add the almond milk, peanut butter, cocoa powder, frozen banana slices, sweetener, and ice cubes to a high-speed blender. Pour the cooled espresso over everything. Blend on high for 45 to 60 seconds until completely smooth, creamy, and thick. If the shake is too thick, add a splash more milk. Too thin? Toss in a few more ice cubes and blend again. Taste and adjust sweetness, and add a little more honey or maple syrup if you want it sweeter. Pour the peanut butter mocha shake into a tall glass. Top with a generous swirl of whipped cream. Drizzle with melted peanut butter and sprinkle with chocolate shavings or cocoa powder. For extra drama, add a drizzle of chocolate syrup inside the glass before pouring. Insert a thick straw and take that first sip. Rich chocolate, nutty peanut butter, and bold coffee all in one silky, satisfying shake. Breakfast or dessert? Both. That's the peanut butter mocha shake. Rich, creamy, and packed with coffee kick. Use frozen banana for that thick shake texture without ice cream. Want it dairy-free? Almond or oat milk works perfectly. Double the espresso for an extra buzz. If you loved this easy blender recipe, hit like and subscribe. Tag me in your shake creations. Happy blending. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.